Okay, folks. Man, what a day it's been for old Dave. As you can see, we pumped out a lot, and I really wanted to do a couple more songs. I'm trying to catch my breath right now. I will not describe the hour-and-a-half wait for my groceries to have someone come up, drive behind the dumpsters in this place while I'm trying to chase them down, limping after them. Yeah, let's not go into that because I need to get those yayas out. I can't let my blood pressure get too high or I might have a heart attack. We don't want any of that going on. Now, for this, what I'm going to do, this is not the best scenery. I got to figure out how to do a direct in. I don't even need the camera for it. But let's examine Sara here for a second. This is Sara, and it's just amazing, just one of those weird coincidences. But this is how I picture her. I pictured her in New Vegas, not Las Vegas. This is in the year, oh goodness, it's in the 2270s. I should have done my research a little better. But anyway, I mean, I can show you the year on my Pit-Boy. Yes, this is Bethesda's Fallout New Vegas. I could run into problems with this, and we're just going to describe a little of those in you know, G-rated terms, because the first time I go through with this, I want to be able to do this. But one thing that gets pretty much easy pass with G-rated stuff is the fact that, you know, violence is okay. This is our poor Sara, who is a goddess, a vampirist goddess, and I want to try to get a little close-up of her face here. She's been hit in the face with a shotgun blast. Knocked her backwards, but she, you know, the guy should have offed her. I mean, he could have taken her scythe, you know, he could have grabbed that scythe and ended her by getting making it into a wooden stake. I hope I can get that back. That height is terrible. Yeah, we got to do something, folks. But anyway, I'm just going to do a generic run through. If I'm not mistaken, where we are on the game right now is going to be just out roaming around. I'll explain when we get there. If I can get there. This will take a moment, so I kind of get started here. That's going to look weird. I'm sorry. I'm going to try to straighten it up a little bit. Man. Okay, no more twisty tripods for me. This just really bites how this is treating me. Okay, you got to go back, really. Yeah, isn't this exciting? Anyway. It's exciting for me. Like I said, blood pressure. Alright, I'm going to show you my girls. We're going to introduce ourselves. And I think we're just out on patrol because that's what we're doing right now. So give me a chance to check the sound mix too, with just voice in the game. And I think, wait a second, we're going to have a pause here for a second. I don't know, I mean, I know stereo comes through good. You got a sideways screen.
Disconnected.
And we disconnected. Please connect. Okay, a little bit of a break here. Alright, I have 15 minutes to do this with the sound. But it doesn't need to be that big because I know that speaker is right up there. The only thing though is when we start, I want to be in character. And lucky for me, I can do my redneck voice here because, well, Hope does. Delilah's got the best accent. But I tell you, if we're talking to real Sara, Delilah plays deli. I call her deli meat, sweet deli meat, sweet deli. It gives us deli sometimes. And I call her the goddess of hotness. And I call her the goddess of good stuff and all kinds of fun stuff, which gets her bad sometimes. But since she dyed her hair from red to black, it's all kind of good. But she wants to go as deli here. Delilah, pardon, well, or deli, to your friends. Come on. We always have this moment. Even in newer computers. Here we are. Right? Yeah, here we are. Fire Team Trouble. We got a name. I can't remember. This is Hope. And you're going to see more of her soon, so to speak. Anyway, let's talk to her.
All right.
What? Follow me. Yeah.
All right.
No, I just wanted to talk to you, darling.
Shut up, sugar.
Hey,
you never
babe.
reach the sky if you're always looking down.
I didn't even understand what you said. Tell me about yourself.
All right. What do you want to know?
Let's see. Tell me about you need to hear about her family. Anyway, let's listen to some pet peeves. I'll tell you more about her.
Can't say I do. I try not to let the little stuff get to me. Because if you're paying attention to the little stuff, something big's going to come around and kick you in the rear. What about you? What sort of things grind your gears?
I get annoyed pretty easy, pretty much. You know that.
You would have hated Ma then. Like a lot of Southerners, the only thing bigger than her smile was her feet. So even though she talked all friendly like, she was always stepping on your toes.
Okay, thank you, Hope. Your tactics are good. No, you don't need to relax. No, I'm not moving you here. Bye, baby. I'll talk to you later.
Every day's gonna be like lollipops and roses, so long as we got each other's backs.
Right. Okay, you're gonna see Hope. This is our fire team ready to work. All right, now Deli. This is Deli. Hi, baby. You want anything?
What's up?
Everything, baby. And no, I don't want you to wait. Okay, first, do I need medical treatment?
Of course. What's going on?
Let's see. I don't feel so well. You need to take care of me.
Okay, hold still.
Oh, I had poison. Follows, really. This girl's good as far as the meds go. Can't wait to show you more about her. But she is has lived among tribals. Let's just put it that way. Not herself, but she's into the medicine, the herbal medicine and everything. This is my little witch doctor. And she's actually a doctor too. We'll go into that more. Eddie's a problem. He's a trouble child. I mean, he goes off on his own sometimes. I'm going to let you find the backstory on Eddie, but now he is, how's he holding? Yeah, okay, I got wide open spaces. Okay, so what we're going to do for these last few minutes, and this is what I do, I completed almost everything. We've been to the drive-in, we're going to just ramble around, and might as well set there. Now, I'm smoothing the marker. I could travel there, but that's not the object. We're going on patrol. Oh, we got reds behind us already. What's going on here? Seeing something dead ahead, ladies. Are you ready? Here it comes. One shot. Y'all get the next one. I'm just watching. It's even better getting it on film, trying to get those screenshots. Y'all are so good. They take care of you, man. Really. I mean, it's easy to live in my fantasy and the call-out fantasy. I hope that we get licensed. I will be doing some really naughty things with this later. And we're going to go with some rather adult subjects. But we're not doing that now because I do want this to be for kids too. Isn't that a beautiful view? And I've got to take a picture sometime. They really nailed this mountain range. We are surrounded in Vegas.
The Lord than the clothes on our backs.
I mean, it was so weird after playing this game. You know? But man, there's something else.
So let's just keep our clothes on and our guns loaded.
Okay, look, yeah, I mean, we're working now. We'll talk about bedroom behavior later, okay? I already said that. We got 3 up, and I don't even know what they are. I'm just running into battle. We don't have much time to do this. See if they are literally to be scorpions, or at least one is. Do I have a shot? Okay, let you go. I'll just say them. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Man, those girls are right on top of things, right on top of things. Now what I want to do, we're going to move to the next town. And I'm stealing everything, of course. I mean, it's getting rough, man. Oh yeah, camera's right away. But yeah, we'll rest here. I'll just talk a little bit more. Oh, we have enemies nearby. Why didn't you say so? Okay. Never mind. Move, move, out of the way, baby. You see it? You got to get anyway. I'm falling behind you. I got you covered, babe. Like you need me to have you covered, babe. All right. Anyway, Hope is like a super Christian girl, and she's really kind of a cult of the last survivors of Christianity, and it's really weird these days, all right? And Deli is like me, kind of agnostic. We discuss a lot of stuff in my own head, but I mean, yeah, she has very limited vocabulary. She is an add-on, all right? She's an add-on that is for adults. Get your parents' permissions, kids, if you're ever going to do this. We're going to sleep here, which is going to be a save. And I'm out. Hope is getting really, really up close with me. And I think Deli's trying to just turn her over. Is Deli, it looks like she's mad. You know, this is why it's acting. I mean, you just kind of assume what's going on here. They don't have a lot of poses. What is she doing? Your Practicing your dance? Oh, let me let you practice, babe. Okay, and why aren't you working out with her? You're in the act too. We got to go dress out for the act later on. Anyway, that's about it right now. And I hope you enjoyed this. I want to get back to some other games. I got to get my